sonado en la cocina? We are here today in Athens. We were on the beach and now we are a little bit heated up and we need like something fresh to refresh our afternoon. He's done.
We are going to cook a Greek salad.
Okay.
It's about all the ingredients that every people here in Greece have in their garden. So where the people are hungry, when the people were hungry, they going to their garden, take these ingredients and make this salad.
So it's nice. We are going to do this as well in our houses. So let's do that. You will need coriander, feta cheese, cucumber, tomatoes, green peppers, purple onion. We will need olive oil and white vinegar. And of course, a little bit of salt.
In the Greek salad we can use every type of olives that you can eat. First, for a Greek salad we begin from the tomatoes. We must clean very well all the ingredients. And here we make a Greek salad from where we are babies. Another tomato. Last but not least, my favorite ingredient in Greek salad is a Greek cheese called feta. It is very tasty. Some salt, some wine vinegar, a little bit of oregano, and the last ingredient is olive oil.
Yummy. So let's eat it. This is so good. You have to try it. Please subscribe if you like this video. Share with your friends. And I hope you do this salad. And I hope you visit Athens soon. So we will see each other in the next video.